1 Corinthians 7 verse 29 to 30.
Ngisho lokhu kodwa bazalwane
Yeah.
ukuthi isikhathi sesinciphile.
Yes.
Ngakho emva kwalokhu abanabafazi mababe njengabangenabo. Nabakhalayo babe njengabangakhaliyo. Verse 30. Nabathokozayo babe njengabangathokoziyo. Nabathengayo babe njengabangenanto. Nabasebenzisa lelizwe babe njengabangalisebenzisi ngokuba isimo salelizwe siyadlula.
Let's read in Amplified.
Verse 29. But I say this, believers, time has been shortened, so that from now on, even those who have wives should be as though they did not, and those who weep as though they do not weep, and those who rejoice as though they did not rejoice, and those who buy as though they did not possess anything, and those who use the world, taking advantage of its opportunities, as though they did not make full use of it.
Jesus.
For the outward form of this world, its present social and material nature is passing away.
Ooh. Thank you. Look. Nyamthanda uPaula uthi kwenzeni kodwa kuba ngathani kwenzi. Kusho ukuthi ningagxili kukho. Don't invest your whole life on things of this world. Uthi because this world as we know it, it is passing away. Niyangizwa bazalwane? Now, what does that mean? That means that now, mokukhulunywa ngezwe eBhayibhelini, number 1, kukhulunywa ngomhlaba. Number 2, kukhulunywa ngabantu. Number 3, kukhulunywa ngesono. So those are the context of izwe. Ningilalele. So what is Paul saying here is that be careful, because once you invest too much la, number 1, also where your treasure is. Angithi? So if ingcebo yami ila kulelizwe, I won't want to leave this world. You remember ke kwaba khona izinto whereby kube khona ama room ukuthi uJesu uyabuya. Kwafika ngeke ngibasho amagama niyabazi. Bathi kusele 1 minute. Angithi niyabazi. Now, listen. How do you know whether you are ready to go or not? If uthi nje Nkosi nangu ndodazi uthola umsebenzi nemali engcono, Nkosi ungaqala ubuye. There's something wrong with your salvation. Because angakaholi, angakathenga imoto, angakathenga umuzi, angaka enjoy, kanti enjoyment yakhe kuphi? Ningilalela ngithi uze umuntu ethi uJesu angaqala abuye Nkosi yami, umuntu engaka, your salvation is questionable. Ngoba efanele sithi Maranatha. Kule season akusona isikhathi sokushaya sokudlala ucapacayana. Isikhathi sokuthi Nkosi, come now, we are ready. Listen, ngisho ngathiwa we millionaire kwi season ekanje, ipain yakho is to see how cruel world is. You don't measure it ngawe, you measure it ngestate sezwe. Ngisho ngathiwa wena kukhambela kahle, but umuntu uyabheka umakhelwane is dying of cancer, Lord come back. Usho wena uhealth right nezingane zakho. Inkinga manje we are so selfish and conceited ukuthi mongekho kumina, glory to Jesus. Kan manje we are a family in the church. We are a body. Niyangizwa ukuthi ngithina ngithi? So ayiconcern lento ukuthi umusa hamba uyenkonzweni manje uyabona etavern kugcwele uyabona abantu abalalanga. I consent musukuthi uthi inkosi wangisiza kuphele lapha ithi inkosi wangisiza nabo ngabasiza akukuphathe kabi lokho umntwana kaNkulunkulu mebona into kwenzeke into ebhlungu akasho ukuthi bona uthi thina noma engekho uyazifaka uma ubuka nje abaprofeti bathi inkosi isonile kona uIsrael bathi inkosi isonile because akekho uayi kulento ningilalela ngithi akekho uayi it's a family church is a family affair it's a family uThixo mayiletha uJesu wayezofunela uJesu umfazi ukuze kube amakhela umndeni because umfazi kaThixo uIsrael umfazi kaJesu ibandla bye understand and akekho umfazi ongazali that is why it's a lento yokungazali ayikho right iyawarisha uHana fanele sibe ibandla elizalayo singazaleli isonto sizalela umbuso singazalela amaphakethe ethu nokuthi saziwe nokuthi sithenga imoto sizalela ukuthi let your will be done let your kingdom come niyangizwa ukuthi ngithini ngathi kiphana uself akekho uself la uma ubona uself uLucifer what I will ka 5 I will niyangizwa now when we're in the kingdom it's not about I it's about we because into kaNkulunkulu ihamba kanjalo ayihambi akukhathaze lokho ukuthi wena okwakho kuhamba kahle kodwa khona abantu laba basalala bengadlile ayikhathaze leyo nto ungasiqhosheli ngokuthi uNkulunkulu wena uyakublessa abanye engababless hayi mawuthi asipake sonke la because manje ema-tavern yabona imoto ephaka ema-tavern yabo ingakho ngihala yabona ngihalisa yini because umuntu uyabheka enkonzweni kupaka ama-spare wheel ngikhuluma nani umuntu udlula endaweni obumnandi ubona ama-Range Rover mase niyahala ngoba phela nithathwe khona sibhizi siyashumayela nje simemeze siyenza yonke into siyathanda sizama ukukhipha lona kuwe ke ngoba usuphumile kulo sizama ukukhipha izwe kuwe mawubona umuntu ashumayela nje it's either ukhipha izwe kuwe noma ukhipha imali kuwe khona kodwa kuphuma glory to Jesus.